Hello, dear students. Welcome to Environmental Science class. Today we start with lesson number 12, our Earth. Okay, in this picture you are seeing the image of a Earth, and this small model of Earth is called a globe. We live on planet Earth. The Earth is third planet in our solar system, and we are so lucky to be living on the Earth. Our Earth is different from all the other planets. It has life. No other planet has life. It has air and water too. Atmosphere. The Earth is surrounded by a different kind of gases. We cannot see it, but we can feel it. The blanket of air around the Earth is called atmosphere. The atmosphere protects us from the harmful rays of the sun. Water on Earth. The 3/4 is covered with water on our Earth, and 1/4 is covered with land, which consists soil, sand, and rocks. Ocean and seas are biggest water bodies of the Earth. Melting snow and rains form the river. This is fresh water. A lake is also a large water bodies of the Earth, which is a fresh water. A pond is a smaller body of fresh water. These water bodies are found in nature. They all are natural water bodies. There are man-made lakes and ponds too. Land forms of the Earth. Flat lands are called plains. High lands are called hills. Very high lands with peaks are called mountains. And the peak of mountain is covered with snow. Valley, low-lying plain between two mountains is called a valley, and many people live in this valley. Snow from the mountain peak melt and flow through the valley as river. A raised lane with a flat top is called a plateau. A large area of land covered with sand is called a desert. Desert have very less water and less number of people. Camels be used to travel in desert. A piece of land surrounded by water from all sides is called island. Our Earth is beautiful. We should keep clean and green. Thank you everyone.